Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Spotify on your Garmin Forerunner 955. First, ensure your watch is paired with the Garmin Connect app on your phone. You'll also need a stable Wi-Fi connection and an active Spotify Premium subscription. For smooth operation, make sure your watch has at least 50% battery life or is plugged into a charger. Next, let's get the Spotify app onto your watch. Open the Connect IQ Store app on your smartphone, which you can also find through Garmin Connect. Search for Spotify, then select and install it on your Forerunner 955. Remember to accept any necessary permissions. Finally, sync your watch with the Garmin Connect app to ensure the installation is complete. Now, let's link your accounts and get some tunes. On your Forerunner 955, go to the music menu and choose Spotify. Your phone will then prompt you to log into your Spotify Premium account through the Garmin Connect app. After agreeing to the terms, return to your watch. Select Add Music and Podcasts to begin downloading your favorite playlists for offline enjoyment. With your music downloaded, it's time to listen. First, connect your Bluetooth headphones to your Forerunner 955. Then, simply open the Spotify app on your watch and select your preferred playlist or album. For extended listening, consider switching to mono audio mode to save battery. For the quickest downloads, keep your watch near your Wi-Fi router.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.